are you so serious?
Miriam, hindi ako sigurado kung gusto ko ba talaga maging abogado. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko gusto tumira pagkatapos natin mag-graduate. Kung sa Tarlac ba, sa Manila, o sa Amerika. But there is one thing I am definitely sure of. Sigurado ako na ikaw ang gusto kong makasama habang buhay. Miriam, will you marry me? Will you be Mrs. Miriam Defensor Santiago?
June, are you out of your mind?
Why?
Why are you fixated about getting married? I always wanted to become a nun. Hindi ko priority ang mag-asawa.
Ako lang bang may gusto nitong relasyon na to, ha?
Paano ang tatay?
Pumayag na ang lahat. Ikaw na lang ang hindi pa.
Sige. Let's get married. Anyway, I'm a lawyer. I can get an annulment anytime I want. On June 14, 1970, we got married.
Mataas mo eh.
Paano nyo nalalaman na
Mataas ang
mataas?
hati.
Oh, din,
At saka sa itsura. Mataas ang lahi nito. Alam, iso lang yan eh.
Ganun ba?
Oo.
Ano ito? Kalistis eh.
What is happening here? Who are these men? Most importantly, why are there chickens in my garden?
Nakauwi ka na pala. Pare, ang napakaganda kong asawa, si Attorney Miriam Defensor Santiago. Miriam, mga kasamahan ko sa Derby.
Derby? Sabong?
Oo.
Dito muna ako.
Hindi ba nasabi ko sa'yo may susunduin ako sa probinsya? Ito, yung man ako, sinundo ko. Himasin mo naman, pampaswerte.
Sabong? Huwag na! Anong swerte ba sa sabong?
Miriam, hobby ko lang naman ito. And besides, I'm good at it. Ang dami ko ng achievements.
Achievement? That's what you call an achievement?
I support you in all of your achievements. Why can't you support mine?
June, let me get this straight. Your failure to tell me about this hobby before our wedding constitutes mental dishonesty. I can argue that as a ground for annulment.